Give me some backstory, some history on Cousin Elka and how she came up with the recipe, how long it's been in the family.
Forever, as long as Elka has existed, right? However many years Elka has been here,
Hmm.
that's how long my son has been on Earth.
Wow.
So maybe 23, 24 years. And
Okay.
so she would make the pepper sauce. And then she'd make enough of it so I could share it with people in little jars,
Hmm.
or sometimes in the size that Beyonce put in her pocketbook.
Right.
And she used to be, when they had Carnival in St. Vincent, which was usually in June, um, she's a very good cook and she would make barbecue. And even though there were plenty of people making barbecue, everybody would go on a long line to Elka's barbecue chicken because she barbecued it so well with nice spices and she had that hot sauce.